What does it mean when your mechanic tells you that your car has a bad mass airflow sensor? Yes, this is airflow sensor. What does it mean when your mechanic tells you you have a bad airflow sensor? And what are the symptoms that your airflow sensor is bad? What are the signs that it will show you to know that your airflow sensor is bad, and what you need to do, and where the airflow sensor is located? We are using a Volvo S80 2002 model for as a case study. It's literally the same in all injection cars, so they all have airflow meter or airflow sensor. Let's dive in. When this airflow sensor is bad, you will notice a high consumption of fuel in your vehicle, which means that the ECU cannot detect how much air is going inside the engine intake manifold. So, which means that a lot of fuel will be burnt. Another problem that you will notice is hard start. Your car will be difficult to start sometimes, maybe because the ECU is sending is low. Then there will be hard start. And also another reason is that there will be black smoke, which means your vehicle is burning a lot of fuel. Okay, so if your vehicle is burning a lot of fuel, that means the airflow sensor is bad. Where is this airflow sensor located? This is for Volvo. Yes, for Toyota, you can just bring it out from here for Toyota. So here is the airflow sensor. This is it. This is the socket for the airflow sensor. So this is the airflow meter, or airflow sensor. This is it right here. So you can this is the socket for the airflow meter. This is the air box where the air is sucked into the engine, then it passes through the air flows through the sensor. See, the sensor detects how much air going inside, so that it will send a signal to the ECU. The ECU will now detect how much fuel to put into to give to the injector, for the injector to spray into the engine for a better combustion. Yes. For a summary, how to know your airflow sensor is bad is high fuel consumption, black smoke, or hard start. Or sometimes when you want to accelerate, when you fire the car, you hear those kind of sound. Or failure, the car cannot really climb. Or if the car is lagging in acceleration, it means that your airflow sensor is bad. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget also to subscribe. Wait for the next video. Thank you. This is the airflow sensor.